over 1 million infants die each year of severe respiratory illness. Bubble CPAP is a simple, proven and a widely used therapy for such infants. However, sicker infants need more advanced respiratory therapy like non-invasive positive pressure ventilation traditionally provided with a mechanical ventilator. The current options available in the market are too expensive, require skilled operators. To address this problem, Phoenix Medical System and Aintech have developed Neovent. Neovent delivers simple and safe non-invasive positive pressure ventilation to support the breathing of infants in respiratory distress. Neovent is the world's first non-electric system to combine the benefits of high-frequency oscillations of bubble CPAP with intermittent positive pressure ventilation, in which clinicians can independently set the low pressure level, the high pressure level, and the cycling rate to meet each infant's unique needs. Neovent's award-winning design is completely transparent so that the clinicians and parents can see what is going on. Intuitive, non-invasive, non-electric, compatible with all available circuit and cost-effective. Let's unbox Neovent. Assemble the rods in the slot provided on the stand. Tighten the screws with the help of the Allen key. Make sure that the rod is assembled in the straight line. Fix the container holder and the IV pole on the slots provided on the stand. Fix the pressure display unit on the top of the stand. Make sure to fix the screws with the help of an Allen key. Take the Neovent container and place the float on the pipe. Make sure to place the washer on the slot provided on float. Insert the pipe and the central port. Fill the distilled water as per the scale to set the low pressure level, which can be in between 5 to 8 centimeters water. Do not use tap water, as a sediment of water can deposit on the pipe and float, causing Neovent to get stuck. Close the lid. Place the T connector and connect the pressure regulator. You can set the desired high pressure by adjusting this valve. Once the setup is complete, place the Neovent container in the clamp provided on the stand. Similarly, place the humidifier on another clamp provided on the stand. Plug the heater, wire adapter and the dual temperature sensor to the humidifier. Connect the output of a blended mixture of air and oxygen to the input of the pressure display. Connect the humidifier inlet tube from the outlet of the pressure display to the inlet of the humidifier. Make sure to connect the heater wire and the dual temperature sensor to the patient circuit. The humidified air then travels through the inspiratory limb to a test lung. Connect the feedback from the inspiratory limb to the pressure display, which will then show the pressure delivered. It then passes through the inspiratory limb to the Neovent. Connect the inspiratory limb to the T-connector at the top of the Neovent. So here, the circuit diagram is given for your reference. Turn on the air oxygen flow to 5 to 10 liters per minute. Confirm that the float regularly cycles up and down. Then set the high pressure by adjusting the pressure regulator to the appropriate line. You can adjust the low level of pressure without interrupting device function by adding or removing water with a syringe. Check if the float is moving up and down every hour. Check the water fill level at least once every 8 hours to remove or add water as necessary. Float collects bubbles, so when the float is up, the pressure is up, and when the float is down, the pressure is down. At any point, we can switch to delivering bubble CPAP in seconds. As you can see, the float is no longer cycling up and down due to the leak in the circuit. You will have to identify and fix the leak for it to start working again. Kindly follow the instructions given in the pictorial representation for cleaning of Neovent.